Wealthy Coin is happy to see you all back. This evening, the price of Shiba Inus will likely double. Quite large. SHIB updates. With the constant release of new coins and tokens, cryptocurrency is becoming more mainstream. Same as Shibarium and Shiba Inus. An upcoming Ethereum-based Layer 2L2 blockchain network specifically for Shiba Inus is called Shibarium. It will turn the meme coin Shiba INU into an entire ecosystem. The price of Shiba Inus is going to quadruple tonight, as we'll discuss in this video. Quite large. SHIB updates. If you want to see more videos like this one where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give it a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. With its meteoric rise to meme coin status, Shiba Inu is now one of the 20 largest cryptocurrencies by market valuation. The SHIB team has been consistently making progress on their many initiatives. Notable benchmarks and milestone achievements have made the SHIB ecosystem famous. On April 18th, Binance announced that Shiba Inu will no longer be housed in the innovation zone, marking a significant development. An announcement recently revealed that the biggest cryptocurrency exchange will be removing Shiba Inu and several other tokens from the innovation zone on April 18th. These tokens include FracShare, Trust Wallet Token, 1inch, and others. According to Binance's release, the innovation zone was created to provide a secure environment for users to trade innovative projects. We expect some of these projects to have demonstrated their value and reach our high standards over time. According to Binance, the exchange has chosen to remove SHIB and the other tokens from the innovation zone after thorough evaluations. After Binance reviewed SHIB based on many variables, it reached this milestone. To put the network through its paces, someone wrote a script to generate millions of wallets. The beta edition of Shiba Inu's Shibarium network, Puppetnet, is still seeing a dramatic increase in the number of hosted wallets, which has people wondering what's causing it. New information suggests that a software was created to create millions of wallets in order to put the network through its paces. In a recent tweet, one of the developers of the Shiba Inu-based NFT project ShipPixelPups revealed the culprit admitted to writing the script that created more than 9.5 million Puppetnet wallets and processed more than 3 million transactions in the beta network. Further disclosure, the team member was also responsible for creating around 1,620 tokens on the test network. According to data collected by Puppetscan, the official block explorer for Puppetnet, the network currently has 13.3 million wallet addresses and has processed more than 3.47 million transactions. Keep in mind that there was a recent 86% increase in the number of wallets, which surpassed 5 million. It was this script that set off this extraordinary surge. Prior to launching on the mainnet, the test network will allow interested parties to run a number of tests on the network to ensure its efficacy and reliability. Everything you see on the testnet, including tokens and transactions, is for show and is not real, as Satoshi Kusama, the Shiba Inu lead, has stressed time and time again, in order to assess the blockchain's efficiency and scalability. It is commendable to create a script that can create millions of testnet wallets. It can also aid in the detection of errors that may arise throughout the procedure. In order to determine the network's dependability, stress testing is essential. According to the script's authors, they wanted to test how well the network handled heavy traffic scenarios like airdrops and games. To further evaluate the network's transaction speed, durability, and other features, they also brought up the idea of executing an airdrop script. No issues have been reported at this time. The SHIB flames in March were really remarkable. With 540 transactions in March, 6.78 billion SHIB tokens were burnt. The number of transactions and the total quantity of SHIB destroyed were both significantly higher than in prior months. Since October 2022, when 9.05 billion SHIB were burned in, March's burn was the highest. More than 34.9 million Shiba Inu were burned in 3 separate transactions yesterday, with a single wallet accounting for 25.31% of that total. The SHIB burn tracker made the announcement yesterday. A staggering 25,313,097 SHIB were sent to the burn address in a one transaction by the Coinbase-affiliated wallet Coinbase 10. The total burn rate increased by 1,108% from 2.93 million SHIB the previous day due to this transaction. The futures market also shows signs of an increasing trend. There has been a rise in open interest OI for Shiba Inu since the start of March. Investors' active positions in contracts serve as the metric. Open futures have surpassed 2.4 trillion SHIB, or around $26.78 million, according to data from CoinGlass. Optimal investments were only about $18 million a month ago. Traders increasing Fascination with SHIB is reflected in the rise in open interest. The OI was $47.3 million when the SHIB price reached its annual high of $0.0000001591 in early February. The SHIBA INU was worth $0.0000000083 as of the time of publication. The recent price action for SHIB is consistent with previous discussions on News BTC and Ascending Triangle. As of today's price drop to $0.0000001064, SHIB is hit a new all-time low, hence the upward trend is still valid. By the end of April, it may be clear if the bulls or bears have won. Investors are starting to take notice of Shiba Inu recently. Following a steady increase that began a month ago, its futures open interest OI has lately surged to 2.4 trillion tokens, or $27.51 million. A price explosion is anticipated as this rising trend indicates a resurgence of interest. To calculate futures open interest, add up all the futures contracts that have not yet been settled or closed out by an offsetting trade. It basically stands for the total amount of contracts that market players still have open and are actively holding. An exponential growth in an asset's open interest indicates that traders are positioning themselves for potential price fluctuations and a large influx of new capital is entering the market. There has been a 52% growth in the open interest in Shiba Inu tokens from $18.05 million on March 13 to the current level of $27.51 million or $2.4 trillion, according to data from CoinGlass, a futures trading intelligence platform. The open interest chart shows that there is a relationship between the price action of SHIB and its open interest, since the asset's price often goes up when its OI goes up. On February 5th, OI reached $3.2 trillion tokens, a gain of $47.3 million. On the same day, the asset's value reached its highest point this year, $0.00001527 as a result of this. But following February 5th, both the asset's price and SHIB's OI began to decline. Despite falling to a low on March 13th, the open interest is once again experiencing a significant increase in value. The asset's price, according to investors, will rise in tandem. Binance Trade volume has also shown renewed interest in SHIB. The volume of Shiba Inu on Binance has been rising daily for the last 4 days after falling to 1.58 trillion SHIB on April 8th. At the moment, there are 2.44 trillion tokens in circulation. While it is in the midst of a protracted consolidation period, SHIB is attempting to break out of an ascending triangle despite its current underperformance. At its current price of $0.00000011, the asset has lost 0.97% of its value in the last 24 hours but gained 0.8% in the last hour. If the triangle fails to form, SHIB can go for the $0.00000015 highs seen in February. The asset seems to have gained popularity among market participants recently, and if demand increases, it might help achieve its aims. Uncovered the fact that SHIB ranked among the 3 most watched assets globally. Not only that, but the Shiba Inu community has been hinting about a historic cooperation with renowned singer Scott Page and an NFT connection with prominent American celebrity sculptor Jack Storms, where Storms will accept SHIB on his official store. We are finished for the day. To view our most recent videos, please subscribe, share, and give us a big thumbs up.